Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lineo and this is Living with Lineo. I'm currently in the office. My lips are dry. I'm currently in the office right now and I want to put on a wig. I want to put on a wig. This weekend we are going to my in-laws house. We're going to my in-laws house this weekend, and tomorrow I think we might meet up with his sister. So I just want to put on this wig. It's pretty short wig. I think it's like 10 inches or so. I have my station here, but it's a bit it's not looking cute. It's not looking cute. I'll show you guys now. Let me take it with my phone. So here's my little station. I have my laptop there, my water, my bands, the glue. I'm gonna put on glue today. This is I'm gonna wipe with it, and then my hair dryer. Over there I have my straightener. Over here I have my straightener. I'm gonna watch something while I do my hair. But you guys will probably see most of it. You're actually quite alright. You guys will see most of my hair situation. I'm gonna watch someone on YouTube. There's this lady. Her name is Iribone. There's this lady called Kayla Birmingham. She's a YouTuber from LA that I'm currently watching. So I'm gonna take my time with this. Last time I kind of butchered. Sorry, let me just pause it. Last time I kind of, what is that? Here, what is that? Oh, it's my straw. I'll put it here. I wanted to chat to you guys about something, but I totally forgot what I wanted to chat about. But for now, I need a head thing. This laptop there. I need like a headstand so that I can do my wigs properly. But for now, we'll just set for what we have. I'm using foundation, powder foundation. I'm just gonna dinky the lace. I use these two shades. This one on the left, this one is called Hazelnut, and then this one is called Walnut. This is like my contour shade, and this is just a bit lighter. This one is just a bit lighter than my skin tone, I would say. Yeah, just a bit lighter for my skin tone. Guys, I have some columns, but let me just finish my sentence. I normally tint my lace with both these shades, but I've seen, normally I use the darker shade, but I've seen that it is not cute. It looks like I have like a dark line over here, even though I am darker here, but it just seems that way. But I have some columns with my camera. So when you take a clip, right? This is the ZV-1 Sony. When you record like the first thingy clip, right? If you just record, you put on the camera and you press record, it records for like 2, 3, 5 minutes max, I think, and then it just stops, right? I'm used to it now, but I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So it does that, and then I have to restart, like record another clip. I don't like that at all. It's not nice. Also, I'm not gonna put on oh yeah, I have my mirror over here on my left. Yo, what the heck? These clips. I'm gonna get rid of them expeditiously. Expeditiously. Okay. I think I'm just gonna time lapse this.
Is ready. He's like, same thing, right? I'm like, yeah, small vanilla latte, low milk, please. And he goes, oh, here you go, right here. And I'm like, oh, did you see that I called? He said, yeah.
So as some of you might know, I'm putting on the 3rd layer of this Ghost Bond glue. But as some of you might know, I'm on a weight loss journey. Guys, I used to be so skinny. And then my man came into my life. I blame it all on him. It's so interesting to me that, you know, the self-esteem just kind of just goes downhill. Like for the longest time, I didn't necessarily want to be on camera because I'm not happy with the way that I look. I am doing something about it. But I'm not going to bring you guys along because I just want to manage my own expectations. I don't want to pull you guys along and then I fall off the wagon and come back on and, you know, just being consistent because it is like quite a journey. But it's so crazy how your self-esteem just kind of just takes a dip. Basically, just being on this journey is like teaching me a lot. It's teaching me patience more than anything. This is not the first time that I've been big. I've been big before, but I tend to lose weight like on a whim, just out of nowhere. I tend to just lose it all. I don't know how it happens, but this time around I feel like I have to actually put in effort. And I can't tell you how many times, how many things I've tried, how many times I've tried to lose weight. This is the biggest that I've been. you know, I don't think I'm gonna love my body. Like right now, I don't think I'll ever like myself this big. I just kind of just have to lose the weight. It's just that I have to be patient. That's what's getting to me. I have to be patient. But once I'm successful in this journey, I'll let you guys know what I did to get here. I'm just waiting for something to stick before I go and blab. But one thing I can say is my diet has totally changed from how we used to eat. Like, I used to eat the same amount as my baby, as my fiance. I used to eat the same amount of food as my fiance. My fiance is significantly taller than me. He obviously needs more nutrition, and also he is a man. So men tend to need more calories than women. But I was eating the same portions as him. Yeah, I was eating like I am naturally skinny, to be quite honest. I think because I was skinny for such a long time, yeah, I kind of thought like, okay, this is natural. This is how I am. This is how my body is. My body does tend to gain weight and lose weight quite easily, but I'm not naturally skinny. So I just lost it, basically. I lost it. I lost the track. And the crazy part is there was also body dysmorphia and all of this. So I joined the gym in 2023 at the end of the year, thinking that I'd gain weight, right? I had gained weight, maybe like 5 kilograms. It was actually manageable. So anyway, I ended up signing up for the gym. My man and I committed to the gym. January, we were so committed. We were going to the gym like 3 times a week, and we thought we were so fat. Guys, we were skinny. Like, when we look at ourselves today versus then, like, what the hell were we thinking? So I think we're also suffering from body dysmorphia. Like, it is so weird. Sorry. It is so weird. It is so weird to think, you know, when you were actually still looking your best. Well, not my best, but thin. I was still skinny. I was still suffering. So I'm just trying to, get the glue to dry out. So you can see that I have some, it's still white, the glue is white, but then it dries clear. So I'm waiting for it to clear out like this side, and then I'll put on the wigglerize. I'm really not gonna put on any, what is it called again? That's stocking material. I'm not gonna put it on. I have it. I don't know where it is. I'm not gonna put it on. I'm not gonna play that game. But yeah, I need to do my eyebrows. I look cute. Yeah, guys, like, another thing is, like, when you lose your self-esteem, you just tend to like let go of yourself. I was a person like that would be like, I'm not leaving the house unless I look good. I'm not gonna just leave the house looking crusty, looking nasty, looking like a boy. As soon as I gained weight, all of that went out the window. And it's mostly because, you know, I don't feel good in the clothes that I'm currently wearing, which are like, you know, oversized tees. I do wear some tight clothes here and there, but most of the time, day to day, I'm wearing your tracksuits, your oversized tees, you know, all of that. So, with that being said, Sorry, I just got distracted. So I'm just sticking it on right now. And I'm gonna comb it back. These ear tags, I don't worry about them like that. I don't worry about them like that at all. Okay, so yeah guys, more of the story, if you are skinny, don't gain weight, please, for your sake, for everybody's sake. Don't gain weight. It's not worth it. It is not worth it at all. Unless of course you want to, but if you're trying to keep the same physique, don't even bother. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. But this crust is gonna go. I'm just gonna put on a bit more glue here on the ear tabs, and then I'm gonna glue it down. While I wait for the rest of the head to kind of dry down. So this part.
Also,
Why is it like this? I don't know, but whatever.
It's so cute. I'm pretty sure this is from Zara.
Okay guys, I'm all done. Here it is, just a little cute Bobbiana. Oh, just a little cute Bobbiana. This is how I look. I'm just gonna quickly go. I'm gonna take my tripod with me. I'm gonna go and make some coffee, some cold. Just stand here. I'm gonna make myself some cold coffee. Let me actually put you guys on this tripod. Jeez. Okay. I'm gonna make like an iced coffee. Oh, jeez. I need a nap. Guys, I know that there are bubbles, whatever, I loosened it up a bit, but okay. Here's my little iced coffee. Some ASMR. I'm starting to die a bit. What was I gonna say again? I'm genuinely just gonna lay down for a bit right now. I'm kind of tired, but I think this will pick me up a bit. I'm just watching vlogs. But today I'm not cooking. We're gonna go get Nando's. I'm actually so excited. I haven't eaten outside food in like a whole week actually. Normally we just eat what is it, takeaways or outside food. Oh, I'm so sorry. I need to take off my contacts and relax. But as I was saying, we normally eat outside food during the weekend, because I like to spend maximum amount of time with my baby. So in a way, I'm gonna be on the pots. No ways. Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah, by the way, we went from using Nescafe instant coffee, to re-coffee, because we don't like the strong coffee. We just want the taste of the coffee, I guess. And also like strong coffee, like really good quality coffee, actually, we would rather just say that it just tends to stink, and we don't like that. So what I put in here is I put in a whole lot of milk, some ice, and then the thing that's making me go is the cinnamon and obviously the coffee. And by the way, aren't these so cute? These are from Peppo. Imagine that. These look like they'll come from like poetry or something, but they're from Peppo. They're so cute, and it's so big, like compared to my hand. It's literally the thing of my hand. Alright, bye guys. Let me go chill.